Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome here to MetLife Stadium in New Jersey, where we are at the BMW Autocross event, where we're going to get to drive an M440i and some other things. I believe we have a hybrid car and also some other cars. We'll be able to do a little drag action right here, and then there's a track that's set up in the parking lot over there with cones. Also, I do apologize for the wind noise. It's a bit windy today, but out front they have the new M3, one of the converters, I'm not sure what that was, and then the Alpina XB7, which we've seen a few of these before. I'm really looking forward for today. It's gonna be really fun, get to drive some cars, so let's get right into it. So we just pulled up to this tent here. They're gonna give us a little debrief of what we're gonna do with the cars, and then we're gonna be able to hop in and take these things for a spin. Alright guys, so we're in the M440 now. I'm letting Jack drive first just to kind of I'll get to know the track a little bit, and also I'll be able to film a little bit.
And go. While you're checking out the track, try to turn your eyes, look up, well ahead. 1 to 2 orange cones ahead. Then you want to place your car right next to each orange cone that you see. Right next to those orange cones. Yeah, you can give us a guess.
There you go.
A little bit of brake here, brakes, back on the gas. Awesome. And back to the pit road, guys. Good job. All right, ready, set, and go.
It is? We almost took out the dude. Ooh, a little slippy.
Bring it back up to the front again.
This guy's probably like, what? We just finished out the UDE for the M440s, and that was a really cool experience. You can see they had to start right there. You probably saw from the video, and go all around the track. That was really cool. We're definitely looking forward to doing this again at another location in the future. Overall, this was really cool. So we're gonna go check out the hybrid plugins, and then I think they have the 330s that you can launch and kind of do a quick little reaction thing with. So we're gonna head over there and check that out.
2, 1, go.
Alright guys, so I just got done doing the difference between the electric hybrid and the regular petrol engine. Here you do a full acceleration down there, and then you do a full acceleration to a little right to left turn, like a quick lanes change, and then you slam on the brakes. I actually wasn't expecting there to be a big difference, but with that electric motor, it's instant torque off the line, and then the turbo hits, so it just makes it that much better. I'm gonna have to end it right here, guys. The GoPro is at 8%, but as always, thank you guys for watching the video. Make sure to click subscribe. We're going up almost at 250 subscribers now, so thank you guys for all your support. So just like that, remember to be kind, be happy, and be grateful, and I'll see you in the next one.